As someone who deals with migraines, here are 4 simple acupressure points that you can try to help ease symptoms of headaches and migraine.
Okay, so let's start with the first one called Do 20, and it's found right at the top of the head. So to find it, you want to find the top of your ears, draw a line right to the center, right from the center of your face, right up there. That's it. You can use your index finger if you'd like. Give yourself a little massage, close your eyes, breathe deep. Now, bonus with this one, it helps with deeper sleep and also helps with your mood and energy levels. You just massage that. With each of these acupressure points, you can massage 30 seconds, minute, 2 minutes. Just take some time for you. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is the Hall of Impression. So you find that right between those eyebrows. You can use your index finger or your thumb. Same thing. I want you to close your eyes. Breathe nice and slow, deep into your belly. And bonus with this one, it helps with anxiety, helps with stress, and also just helping to calm your nervous system down. So, relaxation. Now with this one, you can spend longer. You can spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever feels good. Okay, so this next one is Gallbladder 21. Now first off, if you're pregnant, don't do this one. To find this one, you're going to take the point between your shoulder and your neck. Use your thumb and first finger, your index finger. You can squeeze the muscle there, your upper traps. Press, squeeze, and then release and do a little massage. Excellent. So you should help to relieve some tension. So this is another one that's really good for stress and tension headaches and tension in general. I mean, how many of us hold our shoulders up by our ears? Good. Now with this one, you want to make sure that you do the other side as well. Okay, the last one. This is called the Heavenly Gate Point. This one is in the ear. So it's in that triangular pocket right at the top of the earlobe there. You can use your index finger if you'd like and press. Once again, close your eyes. Breathe into it, do a little circular massage. And this point as well helps to relieve anxiety, stress, and insomnia. So once again, you want to make sure after you've spent time on one side that you do the other side too.
Hope this brings you some relief too. Join our membership at yogafirstandwellness.com for more support on your overall healing journey.
And please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healing videos. Love, light, and chi.